Hi guys, I brought the Nokia 106 4G load. So let's open it. So I have no idea. So I got it, boys. Oh, it actually comes the phone first. Phone first. Then we got the charger, the battery, and it has a cute guide. So nice. So, let's open the battery first. So I'm sorry. Okay, this is a charger. Now let's open the it has no camera and this is very soft, very satisfying. Nice. Now let's just open that. This very hard step. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Nice. Nice. I take the battery and put it right. And by the way, we have a SD card. This and wait. Yes, we have two dual SIM slot. Nice. So now let's put it right there. No, how? Like that. Now put like that. We just click. It's okay. Now let's on this. Hi, yeah. Wow, it's pretty cool. Let's put English. Set time. We will do that later. Zoom to standard. Bro, what? A small. Fine. Okay. It does this beautiful thing. It's very small actually, and it's very okay. But this has no camera. That doesn't have that, so why not that? We have contacts, missed calls like that. Then that's contacts. Then alarm. Then browser. You have to put a SIM to work. This has messages. Radio. That's actually we have to don't put our headphones to. I forgot that. So who wants this? And this is very fast. This is pretty cool. Let's go to settings and look. Let's call settings, phone settings, display, keypad like that, security, and everything. We have things. Whoa. This is pretty cool. Display. Everything we have. Security. Profiles. And we have also power saving mode. And about the things. That's pretty cool, right? So and it has file manager. And we have extras like, and we have a torch right here, so I'll turn on it. See, this is quite bright and cool. That is pretty cool. Call settings, and this is actually pretty smooth to hold. One, go to this right here, and we can change these spots, and it's pretty cool. There's a headphone jack, Doesn't get headphone jack with it, so I'll show you. See, nothing. We got a charger that is. Who wants this? Normal Nokia charger guide has some red things. Never found. Open that lid. SD card like that. I'll show you something. Yes, we have unlock. It's like a normal, but this has small display. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Actually, I'll come back in a second.